Hey guys, Gemma yma a croeso I Pysgod Mawr a Pysgod Bach. Sesiwn heddiw y gyfer 2 a 4 oed. So welcome to my Big Fish Little Fish class. My name is Gemma and this session is for 2 to 4 year olds. And today's theme is going to be superheroes! It's going to be lots of fun, so I hope you enjoy dancing with me today. Now, before we begin, please make sure you've got a nice big space. So you need enough room to be able to stretch this way and that way. You need to be able to stretch all the way up and all the way down. And then you need to be able to go all the way around in your space. Fantastic. Make sure on your feet you've either got trainers or bare feet because we don't want any slippy sliding, and make sure the space is really clear. Now make sure you've got some water on hand just in case you need it, and don't forget you can pause me at any time and join back in when you feel like it. Fantastic. I think there might be danger about. Are you ready to fly and come on a dance adventure with me? Wyt ti'n barod? Okay, so before we do our warm-up, we're going to do a little hello and a welcome rhyme to welcome everyone to the session. All right, okay, so we're going to start by warming up those hands. Give them a shake, because they're going to do all the dancing. Are you ready? We're going to go open, shut them, open, shut them. Should we say hello? Hello! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Shall we wave them, but this time, really slow? That's it. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you build them up? Like bricks? Oh. And open, shut them. Open, shut them. We're going to wave them, but really quick. Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you make yourself really small? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Do you think they can crawl? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we stretch them really high? Big stretch. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. They're going to be like stars in our sky. Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Uh-oh, they're going to hide. Where have they gone? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Can you wiggle them from side to side? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Do you think they can make a sound? Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we make them go round and round? Yeah. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. I bet we can make them clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Should we do a big crocodile snap? Yeah! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Are you ready to make them roar? Roar! Open, shut them. Open, shut them. We're going to sit up and place them on the floor. And we're going to do a big deep breath in. Wyt ti'n barod? And then we're going to let it come out. And again. Nice. And we're going to have a bit of a roll of the shoulders. A bit of a wave of the arms. And oh no, our hands are ready to go again. So we're going to shake them. Ready? We're going to shake. Oh no, freeze! Oh, shake them. Oh, where are they going to go? And freeze! Oh, I nearly got you then. Ready? Shake them. Oh, shake, 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 freeze. Yeah, Diane, well done. And we're going to shake them. And are you ready? We're going to give them a big magical blow. Ready? Uh-oh. I think they might have turned into spiders. Can you put your spiders all the way onto your toes? Tickle, 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 tickle. That's right. Are you ready? We're going to bring them up here and they're going to creep down your legs. We're going to go creep and crawl all the way down to your toes, and then they're going to do a big jump. 1, 2, 3. They're on my shoulders. Cheeky spiders. Waiting barrels, we're going to do it again. In, die, tree. Oh, they're in my hair. Oh, they might get a bit tangled in there. Are you ready? In, die, tree. Where are they going to go now? Oh, they're on my nose. Out of Troyne. Oh, nah. And last one, ready? In, die, tree. Oh! Uh-oh, Arabella on my belly. It's time for a tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, shake those spiders away. They're too tickly for me. Well done. Right, are you ready? We're going to stretch our bodies. So we're going to start off by stretching as big as we can. So mawr. Waiting barod. Un, dau, tri. Did you do it? Yeah, well done. And relax. Are you ready? Should we make ourselves as small as we can, okay? Bach. Ready? Un, dau, tri. Where did you go? Oh, there you are. You're just so small. Good job. Okay, you ready? We're going to try and make ourselves as wide as we can. And I want to see it in your faces too. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Oh, really wide. Yeah, that was a great one. Well done. And are you ready? This is a good one. We're going to try a balance. So try not to wobble. Take extra care. Ready? Oh, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, good balancing. Well done. Okay, you ready? We're going to make a twisted shape. So something where all our body parts are twisted together. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Oh, wow, good twisting. And we're going to finish with my favourite shape. We're going to make a silly shape. So silly faces, silly body. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Oh, I think we can do another one. Are you ready? Un, dau, tri. Well done, they were fantastic. Right, to get us ready for our dancing, we're going to do some warm up now, okay? Fantastic. Ready, we're going to go. Ha! That's it, clap your hands. Okay, ready? We're going to clap them up high, land. Yeah, down. Hello, down low. And we're going to give them a shake. Sing along. Woo. And it's going to shake game. Okay, superheroes, we're going to play a game now. We're going to play musical statues, okay? So, when the music stops, we've got to freeze. And today, we're going to freeze as some of our favourite superheroes. Now, I've picked 4 that we're going to try today, and we're going to look at how they move and do it ourselves, okay? So my first superhero that I've picked is Spider-Man, okay? So I want you to move around shooting your spidey webs. And remember, Spider-Man swings, doesn't he? He shoots a web and he swings. So I want to see you swinging and shooting your webs, okay? And then when the music stops, we're going to go freeze. And we're going to make our Spider-Man pose. Yeah, good job being still. Okay, my next one is going to be the Incredible Hulk. Now, if you don't know the Incredible Hulk, he is really big, strong, and green, okay? So we're going to be big and strong today. So we're going to stomp around like Incredible Hulk. Stomp, 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 stomp. Really big high knees and stomp. And we might have a bit of a stomp and a stomp. Good. And then when the music stops, I want you to freeze in the toughest pose you can. Yeah, good. Now my other favourite superhero is Wonder Woman, okay? And she has a really powerful spin, okay? So we're going to do some spinning like Wonder Woman. So we're going to go, woo, and do a really powerful spin. She also has power jumps that get her to move really far. So we're going to have a go at going, big power jump. Good. So we're going to go up and down. Good. Make sure you're bending your knees and you're nice and light on your feet. So power spins and jumps for Wonder Woman. And then when the music stops, I want you to show me your Wonder Woman pose. So hands on hips, nice and strong. Hey, very good. Now my last superhero, I've gone for Superman, because I really fancy doing some flying, okay? So we're going to fly round the space. You can go up and down, all the way around when you're flying. Good. And then we're going to, when the music stops, we're going to freeze in a balance. So a flying balance. Excellent. Now, you can copy me or you can pick how you want to move as each superhero. Okay? Should we give it a go? Yeah. Right, ready? So our first one that I'm going to pick, shall we start with Spider-Man? Yeah? Right, ready? We're going to move around like Spider-Man. Should we go for Hulk? Yeah? Waiting Barons, ready? Stomping, ready? Big high knees, really strong. To be, Wonder Woman. Are you ready? So lots of spinning and big jumps. Here we go, power spin. Woo! And I'm gonna jump. And a lot of danger. Are you ready? Fantastic. I do love jumping, nature. Right, our last one is going to be Superman. So we're going to go flying. Waiting, Barad? Here we go. Okay, superheroes, so we're going to be brave and strong now, and we're going to do a superhero dance together, okay? So the first thing we have to do is get ourselves ready. So you're going to put your superhero costume on for me. Ready? So I'm going to put my arms in, and then I'm going to put my legs in. I might put my belt on. I might put my helmet on. My superhero might have a mask and some gloves. And maybe a cape. Yeah? So you put on the costume that you want to put on to be your superhero, okay? So we're going to put it all on and we're going to be ready, okay? So we're going to look for danger. So we're going to do some dips first. So we're going to go dip as we look for danger. Excellent. Now we might see someone who needs rescuing, so we're going to get ready. So we're going to do our power spin. So we go power spin, power jump, and off we go down the street. We're going to find someone who needs our help. Right, we're going to dodge out of the way of bad guys. So we're going to go dodge out the way, dodge out the way, dodge out the way. That's it, dodge out the way. Carry on going down the street. Okay, we can see the bad guy. I'm feeling brave and strong. I hope you are too. So we're going to go strong, strong, really strong. Whew. Yeah, so we go out, cross and up with a nice clenched fist. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, to show the bad guys that we're feeling really brave and strong. Yeah? Awesome. Okay, and then we're going to shoot some webs. So we're going to go side to side, and then we're going to go side to side, but we're going to go up slightly. So we're going to go up and to the side, up and to the side. Yeah, we do a little jump as we do it. So we go jump, 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 jump. Yeah, so yeah, good, excellent. So we've got feeling brave. We do that a couple of times. Then we shoot our webs a couple of times. And then we power up. So remember, our power up is a big power spin and a big power jump. And we're going to pose as our superhero. Yeah, fantastic. Should we try it with some music? We'll do it a couple of times. Are you ready? Waiting, Barad? Yeah, fantastic. Let's get ready to be superheroes. So we're going to put our costume on. And put our trousers on. And I'm going to put my belt on. Oh, my mask. And maybe a helmet. And don't forget that cape. Right, let's have a look. See if we can see anyone who needs rescuing. Someone might need our help. I can see someone. Ready? Let's go and help them. Are you feeling brave and strong? Let's dodge. Dodge the bad guys. Dodge. And again. Dodge. And dodge. Well, let's keep going. Oh, I'm feeling really brave. Are you ready? We're going to go. Brave, 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 brave. Brave. Ready to shoot those webs? We go up, and again. Up, and again. Last time. We go Ready? Power pose, they're going to spin. Power jump. And our superhero pose. Yay! Well done, everyone. Fantastic. Oh, great dancing, everybody. That was fantastic. I think it's time now. Well, should we have a bit of a sing? Yeah, let's sing some songs all together. Some are going to be in Welsh, some are going to be in English, and some you might need your shaker for, because it's good to make a bit of noise, okay? Right, this one is row your boat. Are you ready? So we're going to row our boat, we're going to rock our boat, and we're going to bounce our boat. Are you ready? We're going to go row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently down the stream. And if you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Bounce, bounce, bounce your boat gently to the shore. And if you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Well done! We're going to do a song all about food now, okay? So we've got 6 fat sausages. Are you ready? We've got 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Now there's 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Now there's 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. One went pop and the other went bang. Now there's no fat sausages sizzling in a pan. That one always makes me hungry, yeah. Right, have you got your instrument or shaker to hand? Because we're going to do Old MacDonald and we're going to create a little beat all together, yeah? That's it, ready? So we're going to go, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some cows, ready? E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some dinosaurs. Wow! E-I-E-I-O, with a rah here and a rah there, here a rah, there a rah, everywhere a rah. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. Are you ready? We're going to do a big finish. Anything you like. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, styled it out. That was brilliant. Well done, everybody. Hey, I know. Let's sing some songs in Welsh and Gymraeg. Let's start with, I know. How about head, shoulders, knees and toes? And we'll learn it in Welsh. Are you ready? Right, we'll do it sat down. So it's going to go pen, ysgwyddau, coes, a traed. And then we've got llygad, clust, troen, a ceg. Yeah, barod? Pen, ysgwyddau, coes a traed, pen, ysgwyddau, coes a traed, a llygad, clust a troen a ceg. Pen, ysgwyddau, coes a traed. What's that? Oh, you want to do it fast? Okay, barod? Pen ysgwydda coesa traed, Pen ysgwydda coesa traed, Llygaid clusta troi'n aceg. Pen ysgwydda coesa traed. What? I wasn't fast enough. Oh, all right. You ready? Pen ysgwydda coesa traed, Pen ysgwydda coesa traed, Llygaid clusta troi'n aceg. Pen ysgwydda coesa traed. I don't think I can go any faster. Well done if you kept up with that. I know, should we try another one? Yn Gymraeg, this one is all about our dancing fingers, yeah? And counting, so, ready? We've got un bis, dau bis, tri bis yn dawnsio, pedwar bis, pump bis, chwech bis yn dawnsio, saith bis, wyth bis, naw bis yn dawnsio, deg bis yn dawnsio, llon. Yeah! Oh, I've had such a good time dancing with you all today. I hope you've enjoyed yourselves. Oh, fantastic. I can't wait to dance with you again. Right, I think it's time to finish our session. But before we do you think you can sit like me? Do you think you can sit up nice and straight? Yeah, fantastic. And try and relax as best you can. Now we're going to put on our king or our queen crown. Ooh, looking good. And it's a bit big, so we don't want it to fall off, okay? So we have to concentrate really hard to try not to make it fall off. So sitting up nice and straight. Fantastic. Uh-oh. Someone's just bought me a big cake. Should we look at it? Ready? Slowly, so your crown doesn't fall off. Oh, yummy. It looks lovely. And ready? Uh-oh. Someone's bought me a really nice pizza. Oh, it looks lush. Don't let your crown fall. Fantastic. What's happened to my... Have your hands turned into sparkly stars too? Can you do that? And our sparkly stars, they live up in the sky, don't they? So we're going to stretch them up high, and can you look at them? Yeah. And ready, we're going to let them drop. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Well done. Are you ready? We're going to paint a rainbow over our heads. Are you ready? So this is my paintbrush, and I'm going to paint a big rainbow. And then this hand's going to paint a big rainbow. And then this hand. Yeah, lots of colourful rainbows over our heads. Good. And we're going to push our hands forwards. Wiggle those fingers. Good. We're going to have a nice big stretch, big yawn. Oh, a little bit of a shoulder roll. Uh-oh. I'm making waves again. Oh, they feel really nice. And I'm going to give myself a nice big hug. Is there anybody you're missing at the moment? Yeah, me too. I miss lots of people. So I'm going to give myself an extra big squeeze for all those people that I can't wait to give a hug to. Oh, Kuchmaur. That was nice. Well, thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Hwyl fawr!